breaking news, Sora 2 has officially launched. This is OpenAI's newest AI video platform that lets you create hyper-realistic cinematic clips, basically movie-quality videos made entirely with AI. And guess what? With the new Cameo app, you can actually put yourself inside those AI videos. This means you can place yourself directly into an AI-generated video scene. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to access Sora 2 from anywhere in the world, even if it's not officially available in your country. I'll also share some invite code tips, plus a few sample prompts and creative ideas you can try out right away. So make sure to stay around till the end, and then you'll know how to get full access to the Sora 2 platform completely free. To get started, head over to sora.chupi.com. I've also dropped the link for you down below in the description. Now, if you're outside the US like me, you might see a message saying Sora isn't available in your region. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly the process to fix the problem. To make this work, we're going to use a VPN. Next, go to Browsec VPN and download the browser extension. Once it's downloaded, add it to your Chrome browser. You'll also find a quick tutorial on their website showing how to use the VPN. After that, click on the extensions icon at the top of your browser and make sure Browsec is installed and turned on. Set your location to the United States, then turn on the VPN. Next, you'll need to enter a birthday. Make sure it's under 18 years old. Then, create a username. Make it unique, something that no one else has used before, so it doesn't get rejected. And just like that, you're in the Sora dashboard. Here you'll find a wide range of creative photos and videos to explore and get inspired. Now, to get your Sora AI invite code, we need to head over to the OpenAI Discord. Once you're there, enter your information, things like your name, birthday, and any other required details. Here's a captcha that you need to solve. Once the captcha is solved, log into Discord with your email. Head over to the OpenAI Discord and click the Sora 2. People are sharing invite codes there, but keep in mind only 4 invites are accepted per inviter. Give it a try, and if you're lucky, you'll get a code. Go to OpenAI, choose Video, click the plus icon, upload your image, add your prompt, and click Generate.
It's the most powerful imagination engine ever built. And it's packed with new features. I'll pass it to Bill for more details.